try to hold on. It's going to be tough. I'm going to tell you that much.
I know. I'm going to get training in the 4C. All right. That was your best time today? Or?
Yeah.
I don't wait.
So you can feel the car is slippy though.
But still, you have an amazing grip. Even in the turn, I was amazed by the fact that you can still carry on the speed in that turn.
Were you thinking, oh shit, we're not going to hold on?
No, I was thinking in the hood, I was like, okay, it's still on it, it's still, oh my god, he passed it. I'm like, wow.
I told you it was going to be hard to hold on to that.
Yeah, I'll try my best, but it's going to be shaky a little bit, but at least I have the lines. Let's see, but that was amazing, man.
Yeah, there's still a little time left in it. It's just, like I said, right now the tires are letting me down a bit.
Right.
I need a bit more grip, and to be like FTD here, like I'm losing a second on tires.
I guess, yeah.
So right now with that run, I could almost get close to the leader. Yeah. So yeah, it was good.
No, that was great.